Gold is closed, but these three levels could decide next week. Friday ended at 4,602.4. The upside path points toward 4,650, while the first downside confirmation sits at 4,568.9. The decision is simple. Strength above 4,632.9 supports continuation, while weakness below 4,600 keeps the breakout unconfirmed. Start with the Friday context. Gold traded through a very wide range, from 4,508.3 to 4,632.9. That tells us two things. Buyers controlled the larger move, but the market also finished well below the session high. The close near 4,602 leaves price inside the weekly decision zone, not above it. So the weekend headline is not that a breakout already happened. The headline is that confirmation still has to be earned. Level 1 is 4,632.9. This is Friday's high and the most important resistance on the map. A quick touch is not enough. The bullish condition is a 4-hour hold above that level. If price can close and remain above it, the next reference is 4,650. Beyond that, 4,700 becomes the larger extension. But if price trades above the high and falls straight back into the range, that move should be treated as an unconfirmed breakout, not as proof of continuation. Level 2 is 4,600. This is the lower edge of the decision zone and the pivot for the opening part of the week. As long as gold holds around or above 4,600, the market can keep pressure on Friday's high. A sustained move below 4,600 cancels the clean breakout setup. It does not automatically confirm a bearish trend. It means the market has returned to balance and needs fresh evidence. Level 3 is 4,568.9. This is the first support that can convert a rejection into a deeper correction. The bearish scenario needs two steps. First, rejection from 4,632.9. Second, a break below 4,568.9. If both conditions appear, the next support is 4,518.2. Below that sits the psychological 4,500 level. If gold recovers 4,632.9 after a breakdown, the correction signal is invalidated. Now compare the two paths. In the bullish case, price protects 4,600, tests Friday's high, and then holds above 4,632.9 for 4 hours. That sequence opens 4,650 first, then 4,700 if momentum stays constructive. In the bearish case, price fails at Friday's high, loses 4,600, and then breaks 4,568.9. That sequence opens 4,518.2 and then 4,500. Neither scenario is active just because the market opens. The sequence matters more than the first candle. For Monday, watch location before direction. If the market opens inside the decision zone, avoid reading the first move as confirmation. Let the 4-hour structure form. If price opens above Friday's high, the question is whether that level becomes support. If it opens below 4,600, the question is whether buyers can reclaim the zone before 4,568.9 is tested. These are observation rules, not a buy or sell signal. Here is the weekly map one last time. 4,632.9 is the breakout level. 4,600 is the pivot. 4,568.9 is downside confirmation. Above the high, watch 4,650 and 4,700. Below support, watch 4,518.2 and 4,500. This forecast is valid until Wednesday, August 26th at 2:25 p.m. Berlin, unless price breaks the stated boundaries first. Up or down, confirmation comes before conviction.